Okay guys, here it is. We've been working on the crew cab. You know the one. Keith's truck. Now it was here last year. There were some videos. We did some welding and roughed in the bodywork. Then it came back this year and we did the final bodywork and all the paint work. Now Keith is going to put the truck together himself at home, so we're not involved in that. So anyway, this is a factory crew cab. It's gone with the original colors. He kind of went the matte finish on the inside because he said back in the day these trucks were not shiny inside, they were matte. So it is a deluxe model. It's got all the chrome on it. We've got it up and running. Chris did a good job getting the engine all wired up and running for him. So this is what's going on. Jared did a beautiful job as normal painting it. And of course Sean got in there and just did his magic again doing the bodywork. It's a shitty day today. It's raining. It's hard for you guys to see, but it just looks great. Factory white in by the grill, and then the black, satin black. Now he's modernized it a bit. He's put a front end in there out of a 76 to 78 Chevy pickup, which gives him power steering and disc brakes. So he's got that put in there with a Chevy 350 with, I believe, a turbo 350 tranny. He's used a differential out of the same truck. So his plan is he's going to tow a vintage trailer with this. He does all the vintage trailer rallies, and that's what he's going to be up to. Big back window cab, as you notice also. Very cool. Shitty day for it to go home in the rain, but better to get out of here now before the snow comes. The snow is on the way soon, I think. I don't know about anyone out there, but out here in the Fraser Valley, I know it's getting pretty damn cold. So there it is, guys. She's all done, looking good. That is the way the white goes on the GMCs. That's factory correct. The way you see it here along the box. That is how they were. Except you will see some where, I don't know why, you'll see some where this would have actually been green and then the white sits on the top. It would have looked too funny, so we went down with the white along there. But that is the correct proportioning of it, pretty much. So there we go. Okay guys, remember, it's always a good time at old time. Thanks for staying tuned, and we'll catch you on the flip side. See ya.